Now, a powerful winter storm is sweeping across the country.
That's right. Severe winter weather alerts are in effect for millions of Americans nationwide. The National Weather Service has issued a rare blizzard warning in parts of Southern California. Now, it's the first time some areas have been under one in more than 3 decades. CBS News correspondent Carter Evans joins us now from Frazier Park, California. Carter, welcome. So we can see the snow coming down.
Yeah.
You're in the middle of it. How bad is this snowstorm expected to get out west?
Well, you know, they do get snow up here in Frazier Park. They just don't usually get this much. It's been snowing since, I think, about 2 a.m., and it looks like we've probably got about 8 inches or so here, and we're going to get a lot more because the snow is going to continue right through into tomorrow evening. So in some places at higher elevations, they're going to get snow measured in feet. In some places like 5 or 8 feet, that's in the real high elevations. We're around 3,500 feet, but they are expecting a couple of feet of snow here as well. We're also getting a dusting of snow as low as 1,000 feet above sea level. So that means the Hollywood Hills, the hills in Malibu, they're all getting snow today as well.
And Carter, speak to us more about that, because while snow is rare in Southern California, some of these areas have experienced this before, the higher elevations, as you mentioned. So in places, for example, like where you are, do they have the resources to handle it? And is there a worry that other spots that aren't used to it won't?
Yes, so here they've got plows, but as you can see, this road doesn't look like it's been plowed. And right behind me, you can't see it right now, but I assure you, Interstate 5 is right behind me. This is a major artery. It's been closed for hours. There is not a car in miles, and they just, the snow's coming down too fast right now to clear it. So that's the situation right now. As far as snow in LA, the last time this happened was in 1989, and it definitely snarled traffic. I mean, more than normal LA traffic. And we may or may not get that again today. From what I'm hearing from the folks down closer to sea level, right now they're seeing rain, but they are getting a dusting up in the Hollywood Hills.
Well, Carter, then how long is this supposed to last? And then what kind of threat does this pose once it actually melts?
So this is going to continue on through the weekend, and then the storm moves off to the east, and then it's going to be your problem next week, and we can hopefully shake all this snow off. But the trouble's not going to be gone because all this snow is going to melt. It's not going to stay that cold. And there's concern that in the valleys below, there's going to be some flooding because all this runoff has to go somewhere. The good news is we can use it, and all of our reservoirs aren't necessarily full yet, so hopefully we'll get another good dose of water with this one.
Well, Carter Evans, once again, proving he can do it all. Takes us to the surf, takes us into the snow. Right. Stay warm out there with the crew, Carter. We appreciate you connecting with us today.
Thanks, Carter.
Sure thing.